A Deschutes County judge was reprimanded for intervening in cases involving friends. That includes a homicide.
Isabel Warren reports the Oregon Supreme Court will determine the punishment.
This week, Deschutes County Circuit Court Judge Bethany Flint agreed to censure. She admits to intervening in 2 local cases involving friends. One, a still unsolved homicide. Flint is seen here in March overseeing the Dante Seegers plea hearing. She was appointed to the court by Governor Kate Brown in 2015.
It's a way of letting the public know what happened and also helping to hopefully have the person correct their behavior in the future.
Ben's mayor is an attorney and volunteers as the chair of the Oregon Commission in Judicial Fitness and Disability, which handles complaints about judges. She and the commission determined Judge Flint broke 6 judicial codes, including using her position to gain favor for herself or others.
When we receive a complaint, we meet and deliberate on it. We decide whether to move forward with querying the judge, dismissing the complaint, investigating, and gathering information. And then under Oregon law, there is a result of that can be a censure.
Keebler says this is the first censure case she's been involved with in her 6 years on the commission. Flint's transgression started with a 2020 case. The commission determined she helped a friend obtain a Family Abuse Prevention Act restraining order. The friend had complained to Flint about the judge overseeing her case. In an opinion letter, Judge Flint expressed concern about the judge's handling of cases for restraining orders. The second issue was with a case in 2022. Flint was found to have intervened in a homicide case involving a friend, getting involved in the conversation with law enforcement more than once, according to the statement of facts in the report. Flint advised the victim's wife and her children not to speak with police without a lawyer present. The case was reassigned to a Lane County judge and remains unsolved. Judge Flint did report herself to the commission following the second case.
We're responsible for upholding the judicial code of conduct. So that's what we do.
We reached out to Judge Flint by phone and email for comment, but did not hear back. She's still on the bench hearing cases. Now, the decision on a punishment from the Oregon Supreme Court could take months.
What are the possible consequences?
So there really aren't any consequences. This censure is kind of just a slap on the wrist, a warning saying that the commission doesn't really agree with her behavior.
I'm sure we'll hear more about this one.